So we're here in the library at school.
That slow-mo was so funny.
Yesterday, I was gonna make it slower, but I liked how like my voice sounded in that slow-mo. It was like,
yeah, you're so conceited.
Anyway, yeah, we're studying in the library, studying for history, and she's studying for nothing. Just kidding, for photography. And I'm gonna help her take her photography pictures.
Or like somebody like
Oh my god, please don't drop it. Okay, go.
I'm cooler.
Fragile boys, lean with it, 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 lean with it. Want too clean, I wanna pop lock from left to right. To the beat, check my feet. You ain't got these, I rock them in my knees.
We should have like a thing, okay, like in the beginning, where it's like there should be like a music break or like a music video break, like randomly in the vlog where it's just like
Like an iCarly, where
just
it's like
start
random
dancing. Yeah.
We're going to Costco to get a yes.
What?
Yes. Pedal. Yeah, pedal. Hey.
Oh my god. I can't do this anymore. That's enough. Start posing.
Damn right, I'm about to lose my mind. So stacked, know how to make that body wine grind. I wanna press rewind, now give it to me one time, give it to me 2 times. So right, I must say I like when them breathe. Get Lucy low to the flow in them jeans. Hey baby, take over these baby breathe. When I'm in the club with DJ and I see shake, shake, now drop. Watch your mama say, shake, shake, now drop.
Giving her money to pump my gas.
Now she just give me money.
Cause she's my bleep.
Did you hear me bleep out all the things yesterday?
Yeah. I wish it was like bleep, like bleep.
I couldn't find it.
Oh man. Do you have to buy them?
I don't.
What? You want
I don't know.
Yeah. For an iMovie. Here's my money.
Turn off your car.
Go. Oh.
I'm calling it, and then you.
Shut up and pop my gas. She always moans. Swear. All right. So a little bit. Lip. Cut. Take 10. This isn't 10. Calm down. She just locked it. Oh, that's my trunk. Here you go. I was pressing the wrong one. Mom! There's no pin, it's just my zip code. So since she's out of the picture, let's talk about me. She's like, hey!
It says enter pin.
Oh.
Wait.
Oh my god.
Hole? Where's the hole? Oh. Is it in all the way? Is it in all the way?
Yes. I don't think you can push anymore, okay? Oh my god. AJ looks like a mom. Like she got like 2 little kids. they're little, so she on some. Oh wait, they're both bad. So it's bleep 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 bleep. My good side.
What good side?
All right. She didn't close my trunk. So is it shut? Is it closed now? Oh my God. Bam! Get that. Good job. High five. Yes.
That was low-key scary.
What was that?
I love it. The adrenaline.
Did you say I love it?
The seatbelt didn't even apply.
You're still panicking. You're still panicking. You're good now. You're safe. I don't know. I can't help you. Good job. I thought I was clumsy.
So I think Princess is kidnapping me because I have no idea what the f you agreed to this last night.
I'm taking her to this one place.
Yeah?
Yeah, taking her to this place right here, like, you know what I'm talking about? Okay, but it's like a hiking trail. That's the word. It's like a hiking.
I'm not trying to hike right now.
Oh my God. Can I just explain? So, it's a hiking trail. That's all I gotta tell you guys.
Is it dirty?
It's right here. You'd like it.
Where the f is the scenery here? All I see is dead grass.
Listen here, little nigga. Just shut the whatever. Oh. Let me take you to a place here. Come. Okay, I'm gonna hold your hand. Like, it's like basically that one guy. Because I like the open field view. Maybe I should take it here. Oh, like right here. I like this right here. Okay, you gotta drop the vlog though.
Try to take Instagram pictures.
Damn it! Okay, wait.
So Princess is taking pictures outside and she's really sitting in the middle of the road right now. Holy she's gonna die.
I was like, cars are coming, and I hear you, and I'm like,
You can hear me?
I hear you go, oh my gosh. Wait, I gotta take like an upright shot. Hold up.
Photographer life.
And it's super cool when it's edited. I need to stop stopping when I see that. It's super cool when it's edited because, like, I figured out my kind of taste in pictures when I edit it. I like it super clear and sharp and dark, and the colors still pop out. This is my drink. This is your drink. I'm gonna drink your drink. This is revenge.
Yeah, yes.